A very good, bright, and early Thursday morning to everyone out there. Landon here with you to bring you your live severe weather coverage courtesy of On Target. We have got a tornado warning that has been issued for the far north side of Butler County. That's going to be stretching over towards the Casey and Naples community. This will be pulling off over towards Caneyville as well. We got a signature that has been picked up here that is evident on radar. We're getting our latest scan here. We've got some rotation that's picking up right up here, right along the border of Grayson, Ohio County and Butler County. You can blatantly see where the location is of the rotation that is right here. If you are in these locations, you obviously want to be in your safe spot. So again, folks, this is riding right along the confluence of eastern Ohio County, far northern Butler County, and stretching over eastward into the southwestern tier of Grayson County as well. This will be pulling eastward towards Caneyville as we speak. Right now, the rotation is centered right over Dog Walk. Yes, you heard me correctly. Dog Walk, Kentucky. That is a place. So those of you who are present there, we got the possibility of 60-mile-an-hour winds. The National Weather Service has also mentioned the possibility of some large hail coming along with this as well. All right, so it's something that we're going to need to keep close eyes on here. Those of you located over here in the far north side of Butler County, right along the line here in Welch's Creek, but you can see that is rather evident where the latest rotation signature is coming in here on the far north side. I want to back this up here. I'm going to jump over, get a look at a couple of different radars out there, folks. We like to get a different handle on it. Now, it's a little bit better view here, looking from the Louisville radar. You can blatantly see the rotation that's tightening up here, right over Dog Walk, right here in between Renfro and Dog Walk. And this is currently pulling off to the east. So those of you on the far north side of Butler County here, riding right along 79, stretching off to the west there, as previously mentioned, right near Naples, stretching over towards Casey as well. Those of you located up in that direction, you want to be in your safe spot, all right? We can get a view of it, although despite it is not a great one out there, by looking over our Morgantown Skycam. Stretching off here and looking off to the north and west, we got the ragged cloud cover that's hanging down there. Very difficult to see. We did have a stray bolt of lightning there that showed up not too long ago. But needless to say, folks, here we are watching and seeing the opportunity of some things that are taking over, all right? So here we have our signature view that is located right here. And this is continuing to pull off here to the east right as we speak, all right? So those of you in the streamline right here, looking across the northern tier of Butler County here, over in eastern Ohio County and stretching over into Grayson County as well, you are going to want to keep eyes on that as well, okay? So taking a look here, we're waiting on our latest scan to come back into motion. See if we can get a better view here of the latest, but right here you can see who is included in the latest tornado warning. Question is asked, is this a signature for a tornado? Yes, it is. They initially had a severe thunderstorm warning that was placed out with a tornado possible tag. And since that point in time, now we have seen the possibility of a tornado coming along with it. So they originally just had the tornado tag that was on it, and then they quickly upgraded that with a tornado warning tag here that you can see there in the hot pink circle, or the hot pink polygon that is showcasing better signatures there regarding that, okay? So that's going to be worth keeping note of. Those of you located there right along 79 in northern Butler County, that is where we are seeing the most evident rotation here across the Wobbles community. Obviously, those of you in eastern Ohio County stretching over into Grayson County, you want to take note of that as well, all right? Yes, this continued to continue throughout the remainder of this morning. All right, as we progress throughout the upcoming days here, we roll on over towards sunrise. That is whenever the cold front should finally press south of the region and present our opportunity at getting out of this mess, at least for the time being. We are going to be watching the opportunity, folks, of not just this morning, but we are looking at the possibility of some hail coming along with that as well. We can jump over here, folks. We appreciate your reports. Katie Gary has just informed us that we do have the tornado sirens are doing their job up in Morgantown. So that is good to hear. The tornado warning does not include Morgantown. I would like to repeat that. The tornado warning does not include Morgantown here as we speak, okay? This is for the far northern tier. And right now as we speak, the severe thunderstorm warning is remaining intact, but they have taken out the tornado warning for far northern Butler County now, and it has been trimmed up with the speed of this that is tracking off and down here to the south and east. All right, so that rotation is pulling over to the east, looking at Caneyville right here, just south of Dewstop as well. This is going to continue to pull off in that direction. A little bit weaker signature, but nonetheless, folks, we're going to see if this thing stays alive and stretches over towards the Edmonson County community here. But you can blatantly see where that rotation is located, right there, just west of Caneyville. More reports of the tornado sirens that are going off in Butler County across Morgantown. No, folks, Morgantown is not underneath a tornado warning, all right? They are just showcasing and putting into play the opportunity of seeing the possibility of some rotation here with this particular weather maker, all right? So, keeping it right here with you, going to watch it with you. We're going to see it's radar indicated quarter-size hail, 1-inch hail that could be coming along with this as well, all right? We're going to jump back over here. We're going to look at the reflectivity, see if we can't pull that over. Makes sense. So yeah, folks, that right there is what we're looking at here. Continuing to watch and monitor. Mary says up in Grayson County, we got loads of strong winds. We got hail falling in the yard as well. Appreciate that, Mary. Hope that you're staying safe. That is evident here looking at the radar as well, folks, all right? So those of you over in that direction, you want to be paying close attention, especially across far northern Butler County. You can see some more of the cells, folks, that are just lining out here, off here to the south and west, and this is continuing to pull off to the east here as well, right? Folks, we have got some technical glitches that's kind of acting up here. Not really picking up here. We're going to hop off here real quick. I will be right back with you all, okay?